Welcome to HDFC Securities 5-minute market wrap-up, your weekly guide with all the key events in the equity markets for the week ended 17th November 2023. In key macroeconomic news, US CPI was unchanged month-on-month in October 23 versus a rise of 0.4% in September 23. On a year-on-year basis, CPI rose by 3.2% in October compared to expectations of 3.3%. The core CPI came in at 4%, which was a 2-year low. India CPI fell to 4.87% in October 2023 from 5% in September 23, in line with expectations. Moody's changed the outlook on US government's ratings to negative from stable, but it affirmed the long-term and senior unsecured ratings at AAA. China's industrial production rose by 4.6% year-on-year in October 2023 from 4.5% rise in September 2023. The US 10-year bond yields have fallen by about 50 basis points since October 26th, and this has resulted in a risk-on sentiment boosting equity markets globally. Nifty ended the week higher by 1.58% or 306 points. The broader market indices also did well. Small cap index was up 3.2% and the mid cap index was up 2.5% this week. Over the last 30 days, Bank Nifty is the only major index still negative, down by about 2%. Among sectoral gainers this week, Nifty IT index rose by 5% and the Nifty Realty index rose by 4.6%. Nifty Auto index was boosted by strong results, rising 3.8%. Nifty Bank Index was the main sectoral loser, falling by 0.5% this week after the RBI raised risk weights for consumer loans excluding mortgage, car and gold loans. In select market movers during the week, Manappuram Finance reported a 37% YOY increase in net profits, boosting its shares by 14% for the week. CAM's shares jumped 17% after the company reported a 17% increase in profit. Rajesh Exports fell by 10% after the company reported an 88% decline in net profit during the second quarter. Kalyan Jewellers India shares were down 7%, likely because of profit booking. The shares have rallied more than 212% in the last 1 year. FIIs were net sellers in equities of cash to the extent of Rs 405 crores, but this was one of the lowest net sale figure in the past 3 months. DIIs, on the other hand, continued to be buyers. In October 2023, equity mutual funds witnessed a net inflow of close to 20,000 crores. US markets were boosted by falling 10-year bond yields as the Nasdaq Composite was higher by 3.2%. In this section, we discuss select reports published by HDFC Securities research teams. You can access these reports on our website at the links shown. Trent continued its stellar top-line growth with standalone revenues growing by 59% year-on-year. Zudio continues to anchor this exceptional growth. Nevertheless, our team maintains a sell rating on the stock with a target price of Rs 1,650 rupees per share. Mahindra & Mahindra auto margins continued to improve. M&M has gained 110 basis points share in the UV segment. Our team has increased the price target to Rs 1,767 per share. NCC delivered all-round performance. Its order book as of September 23 reached an all-time high of INR 61,800 crores. It guided for an FY24 revenue growth of 20% year-on-year. Our team has increased the target price to Rs 231. KNR Construction reported inline revenue, EBITDA and PAT, but the company cut its FY24 order inflow target to Rs 3,000 to 4,000 crores from Rs 4 to 5,000 crores earlier. Our team retained the price target at Rs 341. Our retail research team published an update note on Canara Bank. We had initially published a report on Canara Bank in February 2022 with a then base case price target of Rs 290. Canara Bank has rallied sharply since that report. In our update report, we have increased the base case fair valuation to Rs 447 per share and the bull case fair value to Rs 489 per share. That is all for this week. Do refer to the detailed disclaimer on your screens. Please note the securities discussed in this presentation are for education and information purpose only. Thank you.